garden here, you come in. I'm just cleaning up after my birds and having a sit down. Now, let me introduce myself. My name's Ruby and I'm a zookeeper at the Whale Island Zoo. The zoo's full of animals that used to work for the Royal Navy. Animals working for the Royal Navy, can you believe that? They had very special jobs. They were the mascots for the ships. Not only do I look after the animals, I've got a secret hobby. I like to listen to their stories and write them down for children like you. Oh, I had some feathers stuck in my pocket. Look at these bright, beautiful feathers. Do you know, they remind me of a very exciting story about a fearless parrot called Poll. She had bright feathers like that too. Would you like to hear it? Oh, you would? Oh, I'm so glad you said that. Now, it's time to listen up, settle down and snuggle in. And I'm going to tell you the story of Poll the Sailor Parrot. Poll was a parrot as sweet as can be. She hung upside down in a tall jungle tree. One day, as she perched on a branch eating flies, our colourful friend had a nasty surprise. Poll shrieked and squawked and flipped and flapped as into a cage she was thrown and trapped. She was carried down to a ship on the sea. The name of the back said Trincomalee. The next thing she saw was a kind, gentle face. And she thought, well, it might not be such a terrible place. The lady, Eliza, was thrilled to see Poll. Oh, you'll be a splendid friend for us all. Eliza's son and Charlotte, her daughter, held on to Poll's cage as they sailed on the water. The family's journey was set to be long, but Poll made them smile with her twittering song. Soon, the storms came and the loud thunder rumbled. All over the decks, the crew tripped, slipped and stumbled. The poor children cried and Eliza was worried. Backward and forward, the brave sailors scurried. The rain poured down and the wind blew with rage. The storm was so bad it knocked over Poll's cage. The cage was destroyed, and Poll fluttered in fright. So Eliza held Poll. Oh, she hugged her so tight. The nights and days passed, and the storm settled down. And soon they saw Portsmouth, a fine-looking town. The family moved to their new home with glee, where Sailor Parrot Poll hung upside down in a tree. Oh, I hope you enjoyed listening to that story as much as I enjoyed telling it. It's a lovely story with wonderful characters. It does get a bit scary in the middle, but it's got a lovely, happy ending, and that's what I love about it the most. Now, I think it might be time for me to go. So, may you have the sweetest of dreams with animal themes. From me, Ruby, and Poll the Sailor Parrot, good night.